Here at Berliner Bags, we value our product sustainability so that you can create more memories with your bag. One of the ways to achieve this is through the right care. Our vintage bags are made from environmentally friendly vegetable tanned leather, which is flexible, durable and water resistant. In this video, we will show you how to take care of your leather bag properly. When you first use your vintage bag, it might have an earthy smell from the natural tanning process. Some people love this new leather smell, but if you don't, here are 3 tips for getting rid of it faster. 1. Air it out. Just hang your bag in a dry spot outside for a few days and the smell will disappear. 2. Add your own fragrance. Place dryer sheets or scented sachets in the bag and it will absorb the good smells. 3. Stuff your bag with newspaper. Leave it overnight and the paper will remove any remaining odors. Pro tip: spot test your product first to make sure it won't stain. First, wipe any dust and dirt off with a damp rag. Second, use a lint-free cloth or microfiber towel to apply a leather conditioner or balm. Rub gently in a circular motion until it's absorbed. When you're done, buff off any excess balm and let your bag dry. We recommend cleaning your bag every year to protect and refresh the leather. While leather is water resistant, we recommend treating it with a waterproofing spray to protect its natural oils. Hold the waterproofing spray around 15 cm from the bag and spray lightly and evenly across the surface. Wipe off any excess water repellent and let it dry overnight. If your bag does get wet, do not use a hairdryer or put your bag close to a radiator, as the heat can weaken the leather and cause it to crack. Simply wipe off any drops of water and let your bag dry naturally. Once dry, if the leather feels a bit stiff, just apply a conditioner or balm to restore its softness. Now you're ready for your next adventure. Remember, with the right care, natural leather becomes softer and more beautiful over time, gradually developing a unique patina that reflects the lifetime of adventures you'll have with your bag. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at berlinerbags.com.